To purchase Destra Network on Coinbase, start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app. Next, click on the search icon at the top of the screen and type Destra Network in the search bar. From the search results, select Destra Network. Then click the Buy button. After that, you will need to select your payment method by clicking on the designated area, where you can choose a previously selected payment method or add a new one, such as a bank account or credit card, by clicking Add Payment Method. Once you have selected your payment method, enter the amount you want to purchase and click Preview Buy. On this screen, you can verify the details of your purchase, including the amount and payment method. If you are satisfied with the details, click the Confirm button, and your Destra Network will be purchased and added to your Coinbase wallet.